Hey guys, very good evening. This is Sandy from Sandhai Pechu, and this is my YouTube channel. Everyone knows that. So I'm extremely apologist for what was happened the last 2 weeks because I was out of station and I couldn't do the proper videos and recordings after stuff. So I was using the mobile app for like 2 to 3 minutes to upload the stocks, and it's just not high volume manner. So that's what I was couldn't upload a lot of videos, and I'm back to my hometown, and let's start with let's start our videos. And this is my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed the videos, please subscribe for more updates and more videos for beginners as well as the advanced stuff. And let's get back to the video stuff. And this is a Nifty 50. I took it as 1 hour time frame, and the market is forming a symmetrical triangle pattern. And so this pattern is kind of like anywhere can breaks, because 11,200 is a strong resistance, and if it breaks down, so if it breaks 11,200 in upside, and we can expect 11,400 or 600 or 11,800 in upcoming days, but we need to wait for that. If it breaks down, and probably we can expect like 10,900 or 10,800 in upcoming days. We need to wait for the breakout stuff, because last Friday was the Reliance was the one stock was holding this Nifty up, and so anything can happen. Reliance was last Friday was Nifty was, and Reliance was up almost like 90 points up. So the Reliance was up, the Nifty was the one stock, Nifty was the index was gaining up because of one stock Reliance. So anything can happen in upcoming days. I was expecting 11,200 as a strong resistance, and we need to wait for that. If it breaks downside, we need to expect a lot downside, yeah. And Infosys again a kind of parallel channel pattern. So this is a parallel channel, so it was gap up almost like 15th July, and which was a strong gap up. I took the 61 hour time frame and 60 minutes, and so the market was in a kind of parallel channel, so anything can happen. So the market was ranging almost like 20 points. See this 20 points, the market is ranging not a big style. The market is traveling around 20 to 25 points in upcoming almost like past like 1 week, 1 week. So anything can happen if it breaks downside, because I expecting a need to fill down and need to fill the gap. So I'm expecting a downside in the channel pattern. Once the channel breaks, we can expect a downfall. I'm expecting that. So anything that happens in stock market, that's what I'm trying to say. And always be cautious. I'm not a civilist, but things can go wrong sometimes, and that's what I'm meaning. That please consult your financial advisor for more updates. Yeah. And it's still technology. Again, this is a kind of like technology stuff, and it's a daytime frame, and the market was traveling in channel pattern. So again, the market was the last day was touch the resistance and the channel resistance, and I think I expecting a downside, and it can come down and touches the resistance, touches support, and 623 as a support, and again once 623 can breaks, we can expect 570 as another support. So anything can happen. That's what the market is traveling in channel, so we need to expect a kind of like anything can happen. And I'm expecting like 623 to 690 or 600 in upcoming days, and we need to wait for the a clear pattern in upcoming days for the farming channel. Yeah. Take them again, day technology stock. I took it as 1 hour time frame. The market is in kind of ascending triangle pattern. So this is what the market is in clear ascending triangle pattern, and breaks the ascending triangle. I'm expecting another like 25 points in upcoming days, and this is ascending triangle pattern. See, the gap was this. We need to fill this gap here. So that's what I'm expecting, like 619 almost like we have like 35 points to reach the target in upcoming days, and we need to wait for that. Yeah. And gowdsath properties, so real estate stuff, and the market was consolidation here. Once it breaks, and once it breaks, the ascending triangle was forming, and once this ascending triangle breaks in upside, so we can expect around like almost like another like 100 points in next upside, and like to reach 1,000 points in a gowdsath property. So we please watch the stock, very important, and keep in your watch list. Yeah. And Biocon, one Parma stock I took, and the upside trend line was got broken, and market returns to consolidation and consolidation stuff. And I would say this is a top side, and we can expect it. This is a kind of IV called as a distribution phase, as a Richard Wyckoff rule. So once the distribution phase starts happening, so we can expect a huge fall in downside in Biocon upcoming days. But I'm not sure what anything can happen. Might if sideways can breaks into upside, we can expect again a buy side, and if sideways breaks downside, we can expect it down. And Richard Wyckoff rule, this is a kind of like, I would say this downside consolidation happens is accumulation, and this is a kind of distribution. So once the sellers start distributing, and once the sellers booking the profit start distributing downside, and we can expect a downfall in the Biocon stuff in upcoming days, and we need to wait for that. Yeah. So this is my 6 charts. If you like this video, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, and if you have any doubts, please subscribe. And if you need any kind of technical classes, and you can approach me and through Telegram or email me for more updates. I will guide you how to book daily profits of 2,000 rupees in upcoming days. Thanks a lot, and stay safe. Happy weekend. Bye bye.